उसको मारकर अब मैं वृंदावन लौट कर गया तो ये सारे राक्षसों का, असुरों का जो आक्रमण होगा वो वृंदावन की ओर
Now
होगा।
Krishna, he killed
और वृंदावन में एक पत्ता भी यदि टूट
Krishna, he killed all these demons. He came to Mathura, he killed Kansa also. Now he is thinking that how
और वृंदावन के जो वासी हैं
to protect the Brajavasis, because now Krishna has got so many enemies by killing Kansa. So
उसको बहुत प्यारा है, इसलिए मैं ही कुछ ऐसा करता हूँ, यहाँ से दूर चला जाता हूँ, जिससे जो भी आक्रमण हो वो दूर द्वारका में।
So I should go far away from Mathura Vrindavan,
अपने जूते पे पत्थर रखकर,
because if I'll stay here, then all the demons, they will come and attack my Brajavasis, and if anything happened to my Brajavasi, then I will just annihilate this whole universe. So that's why Krishna went to Dwarka. So this is the one reason for going to Dwarka. All the demons will attack on Dwarka and I will take care of everyone there. But my Vrindavan and Vrindavan Vasi should be very protected. So Thakurji, he became very strong in the heart, and he, although did not want, but he left and went to Dwarka. But this is secondary reason. What is the primary reason? Just hear that.
ध्यान से कथा सुनो। अब जो देवता जो जहां से आ रहे हैं उनको वक्ता बैठे हो, आप लोग ध्यान से सुनो।
So you please hear.
मुख्य कारण है कौन कौन नंदगांव।
What is the primary reason? The primary reason is
नंदगांव में सरोवर है, उसको बोलते हैं प्रेम।
in Nandagaon there is a pond called Prem Sarovar. If you go with us,
अंदर की बहुत सारी दर्शनों को कराएंगे और
then you will have so many nice darshans and Harikatha related to that. In that Prem Sarovar, there is one beautiful pastime that happened. This is the reason why Krishna went to Dwarka. This is the main reason. Prem Sarovar, where Krishna is present. Radhaji is sleeping near Krishna. Krishna is sitting. Radhaji is sleeping near Krishna. And in the meantime,
एक कमल के समान कोमल, एक कमल के समान है, वो भंवरा आकर उस कमल
Bumblebee comes.
उसका मकरंद लेना चाहता है, लेकिन वो कमल तो नहीं, वो तो राधा जी के चरण थे। जैसे वो भंवरा आया निकट, चरणों की लालिमा को,
so as that
उसी समय कृष्ण के एक सखा
Bumblebee came, he was coming near the feet of Radha Krishna. Now Krishna, the Madhumangal, the friend of Krishna, he came and he shooed away that bumblebee. Hey, go away, go away. And he just loudly said, Madhusudan. He went away. So Madhumangal said that Madhusudan, which is the name of bumblebee. So Madhu means honey, the one who extracts the nectar from the flowers. So bumblebee is that which actually takes, honeybee, which takes the nectar of flowers, different flowers. So Madhumangal, who is the friend of Krishna, he did not say anything wrong. He said that Madhusudan has left. And Krishna's name also is Madhusudan. So in the meantime, Radhaji said, so completely absorbed in the moods, Radhaji started saying, Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. Radhaji is just standing nearby, but just hearing that Krishna, Madhusudan has left, she started running here and there. Where is Krishna? Where has Krishna gone? all direction
आकाश में मेघ
Krishna was visible.
का स्मरण होता है।
When she sees the sky and the clouds, she remembers Krishna. When she sees peacock, then she remembers Krishna. When she sees tamal tree, she remembers Krishna. Wherever she is seeing.
इसलिए राधा जी का एक नाम है कृष्णमयी।
So Radhaji's one name is Krishnamai. Wherever she see, she remembers Krishna.
उसी समय
So in that time itself,
कृष्ण विचार किया,
Sri Krishna thought,
ये क्या है?
what is this?
मिलन में विरह।
This is
दोनों का मिलन है, लेकिन
meeting,
स्वाद किसका आ रहा है?
the separation in meeting. They both are meeting, but they are tasting. Radhaji is still tasting separation. For example, to explain, a husband and wife, they stay together.
उनमें प्रेम होता है,
So they have so much
लेकिन
love.
यदि पति 6 महीने के लिए, 1 साल के लिए कहीं काम करने, प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बाहर जाए,
But if
तो पत्नी को हर एक चीज में अपनी पति का स्मरण होता है, उसको विरह होता है, बिछोड़ने का एक दुख होता है।
the husband goes out for some work, then the wife feels so much separation. In the house, she is just seeing here and there,
अपने पति का स्मरण होता है।
and she is remembering the husband all the time. But when the husband is nearby,
पति पर ही
then her focus is only
फोकस होता है।
towards that husband.
लेकिन पति यदि दूर चला
But
जाए,
if the husband goes away, then
अपने पति को
all direction she just remembers the husband.
इसी प्रकार
In the same way,
कृष्ण मन में सोचने लगे,
Krishna thinks in the mind,
राधा जी ने बस इतना सुना,
Radhati just heard this much that I left.
कैसे प्रेम में
And
पागल सी हो गई है।
How she has become mad in love.
और बस कृष्ण कृष्ण
In all four directions, she is just calling out Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. I will really go away.
जब दूर जाऊंगा
And when I'll go away,
ये दिन रात मेरा नाम लेंगी,
she will chant my holy name day and night. She will have my darshan all around, everywhere, all the time. From this, there will not be pain, but actually so much happiness.
बिछोड़ने में दुख होता है।
In this world, when one gets separated, one feels so much pain. But in that spiritual world,
उस आध्यात्मिक क्षेत्र में,
in that spiritual world,
में,
by
उस विरह में एक अलग ही स्वाद का
separating, one actually feels a different kind of
स्वाद। जैसे
bliss.
कोई गरम
For
गरम
example,
चीज़ पीने वाली हो,
if a-
कोई सूप पीता है,
If a
कोई
hot
चाय
soup,
पीता है,
hot
कोई कॉफी
tea,
पीता है,
hot coffee,
हम लोग तो नहीं पीते,
we do not
लेकिन ऐसी
drink.
कोई गरम सी जो चीज
But
होती
if
है,
there is something hot,
वो गरम ही स्वाद अच्छी लगती
so
है।
that
वो ठंडी हो जाए तो स्वाद लगती है।
hot thing is actually very
ऐसी
delicious.
वो विरह का जो
If it is cold, then cold tea does not taste good. So in the same
वो जो
way,
गर्माहट है,
so that heat
वही उसका स्वाद है।
of separation is actually its taste.
जहाँ पर वो मिलन हो जाता है,
When the union
वो
comes,
स्वाद समाप्त हो जाता है।
then that
इसलिए राधा कृष्ण
taste
में
actually
एक ही,
reduces.
लेकिन
So Radha
दो
Krishna,
रूपों
they
में
are
धारण
one,
हो गए।
but they actually appeared in two
वही कृष्ण
forms.
की शक्ति को,
That same Krishna,
जैसे मेरे हाथ में फूल है, मैंने ऐसे
see,
फेंका।
suppose I have flower in my hand and I throw it.
मैंने फेंका या
So
मेरी
tell
शक्ति
me,
ने फेंका?
I threw that flower or my potency threw that flower? It's
यदि
so
मैं ना
difficult
हूं
to
तो
say.
पुष्प मैं फेंक सकता हूँ।
If I am not there, then can I throw my flowers like this? And if I don't have potency, can I throw flowers? That's why Radha Krishna are one and same, but they became two
समझाने के लिए
to explain love
का स्वाद ले।
and to relish that love.
राधा जी कृष्ण की छाया पर
Radha
छाई
Krishna
हुई
is
बहुत
that
नहीं।
Krishna's shadow only, nothing else.
इसलिए कृष्ण
That's
राधा जी
why
को सुख देने के लिए
Krishna, to give bliss to Radha
इतनी
Rani,
दूर द्वारका चले गए। देखो कहाँ
he went
वृंदावन
so
और
far in Dwarka. See, one side is Vrindavan, another side is Dwarka, so far. It's around 2000 kilometers. And behind, Radha Ji is calling out, Krishna, Krishna,
खाना
Krishna.
पीना छोड़ दिया।
She has left eating, drinking. From outside it appears that she is crying, but from inside,
उस रस का स्वाद नहीं है।
she is actually relishing that taste.
आप लोग ही देखो,
See, you yourself see.
ध्यान से सुनो, कथा में या कीर्तन में,
In Hari Katha or Kirtan, I see many times some Matajis, they cry.
कोई राम जी का प्रसंग हो, कोई अच्छा सा कोई सुंदर प्रसंग,
If there is a very beautiful topic, or while doing Kirtan, some Matajis cry. So when that tears come, so there is a distress in the heart or happiness in the heart. There is pain in the heart, there is happiness, there is bliss in the heart.
नाम और कथा में
Bhagwan's holy name and Hari Katha, by crying, one feels so much bliss, not suffering.
ये तो एक क्षण का आनंद,
This is
5 मिनट में
just
बस हो गया।
few seconds, few minutes of bliss.
लेकिन राधा
But
जी,
Radha ji,
जब वो रोती है,
when Shri cries,
एक बाल्टी नहीं,
not
एक
just
सरोवर
one
बन
bucket,
जाता है।
it creates one whole pond.
हमारे साथ वृंदावन दर्शन करने चलना, ये
When you
सारे
go
स्थान
to
दिखाऊंगा।
have darshan of Vrindavan with
वृंदावन
us,
के पास
I will
में
show you all these
मान
places.
सरोवर है।
Near Vrindavan, there
जो
is this
राधा
place
जी
called
कृष्ण
Man
के लिए जब
Sarovar.
रोई,
When Radha ji was
तो
crying
पूरा
for
एक
Krishna,
pond बन
then
गया,
a
सरोवर
big
बन गया।
pond was
इतने
created
आंसू
by
कहाँ
the
से आ
tears
गए?
of Radharani, from
जितना
where so
रोती
many
है,
tears
उतना ही
come.
आनंद की प्राप्ति होती
The
है।
more she cried, the
राधा
more
जी
she
उस
feels
आनंद की
blissful.
प्राप्ति के लिए ही
And
कृष्ण
for
की
that,
द्वारका चले गए।
giving that bliss to Radha ji,
सबसे
Krishna
प्रिय
went to
स्थान,
Dwarka.
अपने
He
घर
left his
वृंदावन को
own
छोड़कर
home, his most
द्वारका
favorite
चले
place
गए।
Vrindavan, and he
इसलिए
went to
मेरी राधा
Dwarka.
जी को सुख
Why?
मिलेगा।
So that my Radha ji becomes happy.
इन दोनों का ऐसा
She becomes
मतलब
blissful. Such is the love
राधा जी
of
की
Radha
हर
and
क्रिया
Krishna.
कृष्ण को सुख देने के लिए।
Radha ji's
और
every
कृष्ण की
activity
हर
is
क्रिया
to
राधा
please
जी को
Krishna,
सुख
and
देने
Krishna's
के लिए।
every activity is to please Radharani.
इसलिए श्याम सुंदर
That's why
अब
Shyam
द्वारका
Sundar
चले गए।
left to Dwarka.
वहां पर जैसे द्वारका पहुंचे, एक प्रसंग उठा। अब द्वारका का राजा कौन बनेगा?
There, as soon as he went to
सब कहने
Dwarka,
लगे,
a question arose that who will become the king
यदि
of
कृष्ण यहाँ
Dwarka?
पर हैं,
Everyone
तो
started
राजा
saying that if Krishna is here, then he
बने।
should become the
कृष्ण
king.
सोचने लगे,
But
नहीं,
Krishna is thinking
हमको
in
राजा
his
वाला
heart
नहीं बनना।
that I do not want to
अगर मैं
become the
राजा
king.
बन गया तो मैं यहीं पर ही फंस जाऊंगा।
If I become the king, then I will
यहाँ
be
तो मैं
stuck
थोड़ी
here.
देर के लिए temporary
Here,
आया हूँ।
I have come temporarily
मेरे को तो यहाँ
actually.
नहीं राजा बनना।
I do not want to become the king here because we have to go back to
बस ये सारे
Vrindavan.
असुर मारे जाएं,
Just that all these demons should get killed and then I'll go to Vrindavan.
इसलिए कृष्ण कहने
That's
लगे,
why Krishna
उग्रसेन
started
महाराज
saying
को राजा बनाया।
that, oh, let's make Ugrasen, King Ugrasen as the king
ये
of
अग्रवाल का
Dwarka.
परिवार सारा
Now,
उग्रसेन महाराज से ही, हाँ? ये पूरा वंश वहीं से निकलता है।
so this all Agrawal
उग्रसेन
family
कहने
goes
लगे,
from
मैं तो
Ugrasen
दुष्ट हो
only.
गया।
So Ugrasen started
मेरे
saying
हाथों में तो बल ही नहीं है, कोई आक्रमण करेगा तो मैं कैसे रक्षा करूंगा?
that I don't have so much strength, I am old.
बाकी हम सब संभाल लेंगे।
If someone attacks, how will I protect? King said that, Krishna said that, don't worry, you just stay as the king and we will protect you and the whole kingdom.
द्वारकाधीश
So
के रूप में
Krishna
श्री द्वारका में विराजमान।
got established there as
जहाँ जमुना
Dwarkadhish,
के जल में
where one side,
जमुना
on the
जी का
banks of Yamuna ji, the sweet water of Yamuna ji,
वर्ण का
and
जल,
that black complexioned water of Yamuna, and on the other side, this Dwarka on the banks of ocean. In Vrindavan, he used to have flute in his hand, Venu, Nag. Now in Dwarka, what he is doing, he is holding Sudarshan Chakra to kill all the demons. Here in Vrindavan, he used to have a peacock feather on the head. Now in Dwarka, he is having golden crown on the head. Why? Because Krishna does not accept crown, the peacock feather, on his head anywhere outside in Vrindavan, only in Vrindavan. So the whole mood got changed in Dwarka. The personality got changed, and now as soon as he reached Dwarka, Vidarbha Raj Nandani Shri Rukmani ji,
द्वारका लीला में
in Dwarka's pastimes,
विशेष रूप से
especially
कृष्ण की 16,108 रानियां,
Krishna 16,108 queens, and among those 16,108 queens, the eldest is Shri Rukmani ji.
मिलाकर टोटल 8 रानियां,
Overall total there were 8 queens, the prominent
और
queens,
बाकी 16,000
and all other are 16,000
तो छोटे भैया की विवाह की
Rajkumaris,
कथा से पहले
means princess.
बड़े भैया विवाह की कथा सुन लें।
So let's first hear the marriage of
और श्री
Baldev
कृष्ण
ji.
द्वारका में आए
Baldev ji and Krishna came to Dwarka.
तो एक राजा था जिसका नाम
So
था
there was
रैवत।
one king whose name was
उसकी
Revat.
बड़ी सुंदर पत्नी जिसका नाम था
So
रेवती।
he had a very beautiful daughter whose name
अब
was
राजा
Revati.
चाहता है कि
Now the king wants that my daughter should get nicely married.
तो रेवत राजा सोचने
Now
लगा,
the king Revat started thinking,
बड़े-बड़े राजाओं की
because he had such
ब्रह्मा जी तक
approach,
पहुंचे।
he was such a great king that he could reach up till Brahma to
बड़े
discuss
लोगों की
things.
बड़ी बातें,
Big people, big things.
बोलते स्वर्ग वर्ग तो ये रहा,
He said, Swarg, Varg, all these heaven and this just nearby, but let's go to the topmost place of this material world, that is the place of Brahmaji.
अपनी बेटी का विवाह करना है किससे
So
करूं?
this Revat king is very potent. He thought that let me go to Brahmaji only directly and ask him the suggestions.
तो रेवत राजा ब्रह्मा जी के
So
पास,
King Revat went to Brahmaji.
जैसी ब्रह्मलोक में
As soon
पहुंचे,
as he reached Brahmalok,
ब्रह्मा जी
Brahma
बैठ के
ji,
कुछ सभा में कुछ
he was
मीटिंग
sitting
कर रहे
in the
थे।
assembly. Some meeting was going on. So there was this discussion that which scripture is the
ऐसी बहुत
topmost.
सारी विस्तार पूर्वक बातें हैं, इतने डिटेल में नहीं जाता,
I'll not go in detail regarding
लेकिन
this,
2-3 घंटा वहां बीत गए,
but there were 2-3 hours which passed,
राजा बाहर खड़े हुए,
and the king was still standing outside waiting.
जैसी राजा का,
As soon as
जैसी ब्रह्मा जी का वो जो एक
Brahmaji's meeting got over,
तो रेवत राजा ने जाकर ब्रह्मा जी से प्रणाम किया, ब्रह्मा जी,
now Revat king went and paid obeisances to Brahmaji. Brahmaji became very happy. Oh king, you have come. Very nice. Please welcome. Come here.
एक लिस्ट लेकर आया हूँ,
Said Father Brahma, I have come up with a list. What list?
पृथ्वी में सबसे बड़े-बड़े सुंदर-सुंदर राजकुमार की लिस्ट लाया हूँ।
I have brought the list of a very nice big prince
ब्रह्मा जी तो जोर से
so that my daughter gets married. Now Brahmaji started laughing. The king said, why are you laughing, Brahmaji? He said, oh Revat, you came from earth to Brahmalok and you stayed here for 2-3 hours also. Now when you will go back, all these kings, all these princes whose names, whose list you have, what to speak of them, even their whole lineage would have got finished.
मैं कुछ दिन बतला रहा हूँ।
Going from earth to Brahmalok,
ब्रह्मा जी का एक दिन कितना बड़ा होता है?
Brahmaji's one day is how big? It's not like us.
4 युग सुना है ना?
You know 4 yugas?
ये मैं फरीदाबाद जाके गोगे जी से पूछूंगा ये भी।
I'll ask this point from Gogya ji. This is the
ये वाला
homework.
क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा।
Later in Faridabad, I'll ask everyone.
ब्रह्मा जी का एक दिन कितना बड़ा होता है?
Well, how big Brahmaji's one day
4 युग
is?
सबने सुना?
Everyone knows 4 yugas: Satyug, Treta, Dwapar, Kalyug.
कलयुग।
So this is called Chaturyug.
4 युग जब 71 बार बीतते
Now this
हैं,
Chaturyug, this 4 yugas, this cycle of 4 yugas, when passes 71 times,
उसको
then
एक मनवंतर
that is
कहा
called
जाता है।
as one Manvantar.
और ऐसे जब 14 मनवंतर
And when
बीत
such
जाते हैं,
14 Manvantar passes,
ब्रह्मा जी का एक दिन होता है।
then Brahmaji's one day happens, 12 hours, and the same 12 hours of night. Can you imagine how big it is? So like this, when 4 yugas, 4 Chatur yugas, they passes 71 times, and then like this 14 happens, then it's just 12 hours. Now king went from earth to Brahmalok. Now in 2-3 hours of Brahmalok, many yugas passed out in earth planet. Now the king started crying, will my daughter stay unmarried then? Brahmaji said, just go right away to earth planet. Because when you will go now, there is a very beautiful prince, Balaramji. You get your daughter married with Balaramji. So Revat king, he just did not delay, because if 1 second is passed, then so many years go on the earth planet. So Revat king, he just went and reached earth planet, and he told the daughter Revati that you will get married with Balaramji. Now Balaramji came. Such a nice family. Just one problem was there. What was the problem? King Revat was of Satya Yuga. Balaramji is of Dwapar Yuga. So in every yuga, the height of humans, they reduces as the yuga passes. So Revati was from Satyuga. She was so tall. And Baladevji is of Dwapar Yuga. So he is very tiny in front of Revati. They all said that everything is very nice. Family is nice. The couples are nice. So everyone considers different things. See, in the marriage what happens?
लड़का देखता है लड़की सुंदर हो,
The boy sees that the girl should be beautiful.
कन्या देखती है मेरा
The
परिवार
girl
कैसा
see
सुंदर हो।
that the boy, the male, my husband should be beautiful. They only see this. The parents, what they see, they say, oh, how's the family?
कितनी फैक्ट्रियां हैं,
How many factories they have?
बैंक बैलेंस क्या है,
What is the bank balance?
घर कितना बड़ा है,
How big the house is?
माता पिता ये देखते हैं।
The parents see these
और
things.
बच्चे
And the children,
दूसरे को देखते हैं।
they see each other.
सबका फोकस अलग है।
Everyone's focus is
बराती क्या
different.
देखते हैं?
And what the guests
बराती
see,
कुछ नहीं, बोले थोड़ा
the guests
खा
see
के
how's the
उनको
prasadam, how's the feast.
और किसी से
They just want to have nice DJ dance, just feast, and they want to go back. So Revati, one side is so tall, and Balramji is so small. So everyone, they considered this. Now Balaramji said, don't worry, I'll correct it all.
उनके हाथ में हल होता है, हल से रेवती को यूं खींच दिया,
So
लंबाई से एकदम अपने बराबर
Balaramji, he just pulled Revati to his own height.
और फिर सुखपूर्वक
Now,
वेदी रीति से
happily,
रेवती और बलराम जी का विवाह
Revati and Balramji got married.
द्वारका में संपन्न हुआ।
Balaramji pulled Revati down and made the height similar.
बड़े भाई के
All glories to Balaram and Revati. Now hearing the marriage ceremony of elder brother, one gets the whole result of hearing the marriage ceremony of the younger brother also. Now Rukmini, she loves Krishna so much. And when did she meet Krishna? She never met Krishna actually. Such a weird thing. This is so strange. She never saw Krishna. If she never saw Krishna, if she never met Krishna, how she loved Krishna? One loves Krishna or loves anyone by seeing him. We say, na, love at first sight. What is the meaning?
divorce at first fight।
And then divorce at first fight.
रुक्मिणी जी ने कभी देखा ही नहीं,
Rukmini ji never saw
कभी
Krishna.
नहीं।
Never.
हमारे एक महाराज जी बड़ी अच्छी बात बताते हैं।
One Maharaji of ours, he speaks very nice thing. They say that, oh, they saw each other. So
प्रेम हुआ तो कहा
they saw and they loved each other and said, I love you. And after some days,
बातचीत ठीक से ना हुई तो
When-
बोले, I hate you।
some fighting happened, they say, I hate you. And then after 1 year, they say, I kill you.
पूरा पैकेज एक साल में बराबर
So it's like a whole yearly package, a package of the whole year. I love you, I hate you, then I kill you.
बोलते पहले पहले
Then there is another point. See,
घर में आके
previously, when the daughter-in-law comes in the house, then everyone say, oh, your face is like Chandramukhi. So cooling, so beautiful.
एक साल के बाद
And after 1 year,
बोलते अब तेरा मुंह
now your
सूर्य
face
जैसा होगा।
is like Suryamukhi, like sun, little, giving so much heat.
और 3 साल के
First
बाद
it was giving cool, like moon. Now,
ज्वालामुखी।
after 3rd year, the face becomes like volcano, Jwalamukhi.
कौन से स्टेटस पे चल रहे हैं हिसाब लगा लो।
So what status is yours, you can just calculate.
है।
Anyway,
ये हमारा प्रश्न में नहीं था,
so
लेकिन जिस बात पर मैं इशारा कर रहा था उसको समझना।
just the thing that I was indicating, just try to understand this.
कृष्ण को देखा नहीं,
Rukmini ji never saw
और
Krishna.
रुक्मिणी जी ने एक प्रेम पत्र लिखा
And Rukmini ji wrote a love
कृष्ण के
letter
नाम पर,
for
और
Krishna.
नीचे अपना साइन। और वो प्रेम पत्र आंखों के आंसुओं से भीगा हुआ था। उस प्रेम पत्र में रुक्मिणी जी ने इतनी अच्छी
Now
बात
Rukmini ji
लिखी,
wrote a love letter
हम
and it was filled with
बड़ी मेहनत
tears.
से
It was completely wet by tears of Rukmini ji. Now Rukmini ji wrote such a beautiful letter which is very important for devotees like us, for practitioners like us.
हे श्याम सुंदर,
Rukmini ji is
जब से
writing,
मैंने आपके
Oh
गुणों को
Shyam
सुना
Sundar,
है,
the time since I have heard your qualities, your glories, I have started developing love for you.
देखा ही नहीं।
Rukmini ji has never seen Krishna till now. She developed love for Krishna just by hearing.
महत्वपूर्ण बात है।
Such an important point to mention here. Don't take it lightly.
भगवान का दर्शन कभी आंखों से
Darshan
नहीं होता
of Bhagwan never happens from eyes.
भगवान का दर्शन कानों से
Darshan of Bhagwan always happen from
वो
ears.
कैसे? कान में कौन सी आंख लगी?
Why? What kind of eyes are present in the
भगवान का
ears?
दर्शन कानों से मतलब
We say
सुनकर होता है।
From ears means by hearing.
भगवान के गुण, उनकी
When we
लीला,
hear the
उनका
qualities,
महत्व,
the pastimes, the glories, the
उनके गुण
importance,
कैसे हैं,
the
उनका रूप
supremacy,
कैसा है, जब
the
सुनेंगे
love
नहीं,
of Krishna,
तो कैसे
until we don't hear his about him,
कैसे उनको जाने?
then how will we
आज
able
कोई
to
भी
get to
हमारे
know
सामने
him?
आकर आपको
Today,
चमत्कार दिखाएगा।
anyone can come
मैं
and
गंगा
show
को
miracle in front of us. Oh, I can cross Ganga by walking. We start thinking that he is Bhagwan.
हम सोचेंगे यही भगवान है। नहीं,
No.
और लोग पागल बन जाते हैं।
And people become mad also.
घूमते फिरते हैं।
There are so many such incarnations which move here and there. That I am the incarnation, I am this incarnation. Everyone becomes mad. Why? Because they don't hear properly. But those who hear from proper source, they cannot get fooled like this because they check the symptoms. In Bhagavad Gita, there is no mention of such incarnation which he is claiming.
मैं किसी के चरणों में अपराध नहीं करना चाहता,
I do not want to pay
लेकिन ऐसे
or
बहुत सारे
offend
देवता
anyone.
अभी
But there are so
25
many
30 साल
demigods
पहले प्रकट हो गए।
who actually appeared just last 25-30 years old,
कौन से रामायण
and
में,
everyone
कौन से
started
गीता में,
worshipping
कौन
them.
से भागवत में,
In which
कौन
Ramayana,
से
in which
पुराण में,
Bhagavad,
कौन से
in which
उपनिषद में,
Bhagavad, in
कौन
which
से वेद में,
Upanishad, in
एक
which
भी बार नाम लिखा
Veda,
होगा।
there is mention, there is single mention of their name. If there is any single mention, then I can just jump in
और
Ganges
स्थान स्थान पर उनके मंदिर खुलते
if you
हैं।
tell me the name in the
और
Vedas.
जाकर उनको प्रणाम
And
करते हैं, भोग लगाते हैं।
there are so
उनको
many
भोग
centers
लगाने लग गए।
that has been opened,
शेष नाग
and
रहने लग गए।
people have kept peacock feather also on their
कौन सी
head.
जगह पर उनका नाम
So
है?
many different things, worshipping them like
बस।
a
तुमने
god.
किया, मैंने किया, चलो एक फैशनिंग में
Everyone
आ
became,
गए। ऐसे होता है।
it became like a fashion. You did, I did, that's it. Let's go. Let's do it.
इसलिए समझ रखिए।
Creating a god out of fashion. But this is not right. Please be little intelligent. Don't just flow into the moods, into the sentiments of someone. Whatever is written in Bhagavad Ji, in Gita Ji, in our Ramayana, that is only the supreme truth. Everything apart from it is just a show.
बेकार की मेहनतें करो,
It's just useless efforts. If you want to do, you can do, but you will not attain anything.
कुछ प्राप्त होने वाला नहीं। इसलिए भगवान
That's why darshan of Bhagwan happens from our ears, by hearing.
आप बड़े प्रेम से थोड़ी थोड़ी कथा भी रोज सुनो।
If you hear little bit of Hari Katha every day with so much love, then you will get to know that who is Bhagwan, why he comes, what he do, why he did like that.
ये तो कभी पता ही नहीं।
Otherwise, you will never even get to know this.
इसलिए रुक्मणी जी ने एक पत्र लिखा, एक
So
ब्राह्मण
that's
को
why
लिखा।
Rukmani ji wrote a letter and sent it through the hands of a Brahman. When Krishna saw that letter, he could understand that this is the letter from my beloved. It is completely wet. All the ink is just spread all over because of the tears. Rukmani ji wrote in that letter that, "Oh Krishna, please come as fast as possible and take me, because if this Rukmani does not become yours, she will not become anyone's. Because my brother Rukmi,
रुक्मणी अपनी बहन का विवाह
he is getting me married with a demon, Shishupal. I do not like him at all. I do not want to get married. I will die. I will give up my life if you don't come." Krishna gave the message to Brahman that I will very soon come and take Rukmani. Now, in the house of Rukmani, so many nice decorations and arrangements were going on for her marriage with Shishupal demon. Now, Rukmani ji went into the temple of Girija Devi. Now, in front of Parvati, Rukmani ji prayed, "O Parvati, if I have loved Krishna only from my heart, then you please show me some symptoms. Please give me some hint." Parvati ji's garland fell and came. Rukmani ji understood that Parvati ji has given me the blessings. But why Krishna is not coming? Why he has delayed so much? Rukmini sometimes inside the temple, outside the temple, So like this, she was going in and out, and outside so many guards are standing with swords and everything to protect Rukmini. Rukmini started thinking that for sure Shyam Sundar must be very shy, that how can I come. Rukmini ji came out and she lifted the veil. All the guards, they just bowed down because they are not allowed to see the face of Princess Rukmini. Now taking this as an opportunity, Krishna came like a storm. Rukmini ji herself raised her hand. Shyam Sundar, he pulled Rukmini in the chariot, and he came like a storm and he went away like a thunderstorm. Now in the whole Dwarka, in the whole area, there was this big announcement that Rukmini has got abducted. Now the brother of Rukmini, Rukmi, took the sword in the hand. He said that I will fight with that person who is abducting my sister. Rukmi came in front and said that, oh Krishna, you cannot take my sister like this. You have to fight with me first. Krishna said, Rukmi, now you are like a relative to me now. But because you have challenged me, I am a warrior, and if a person challenges a warrior, then the warrior never steps back. So they both took their swords, they both started fighting. Krishna, he attacked Rukmi. Rukmi's sword fell, and Krishna was about to kill Rukmi, but Rukmini came in front and said, Prabhu, no, he's my brother, do not kill him. Hearing the words of Rukmini, Shri Krishna just shaved the head of Rukmi by disrespecting him like this. He just threw away Rukmi. And then in the meantime, Balaramji came. Balaramji came running like anything. Said, Krishna, your childishness has not really gone away. You came to take Rukmini and you did not even tell me. If a war would have started, then what would you have done? Alone. Now Krishna, he is feeling shy and said that, oh my big brother, how could I have told you that I am abducting a girl? I am stealing Rukmini. So Balaramji smiled and said, okay, don't worry, now I will take care of everything, you go. Now Shri Krishna, he took Rukmini and went away. And Balramji alone single-handedly defeated the whole war, the whole army of Rukmini. Now in Dwarka, taking fire as the witness, Rukmini Krishna's marriage got very nicely arranged. Now anyone may say that Bhagwan, he abducted. So if we also abduct a female, we also steal a girl like this, then we also can do, because Krishna did, we will just follow Krishna's conduct. But understand this, here, the love and moods that Rukmini showed, she has not showed for an ordinary human being. She actually showed this for the Supreme Lord. Many people actually understand this wrongly. They see that, oh, the Lord also abducted Rukmini. So if I also can do, then what's wrong in that? And also, Rukmini wrote a love letter. If I also do this, then what's the problem? No. Cannot copy like this. Rukmini's surrenderness is Atma Nivedan. That love is for Param Purush Bhagwan. If we also do like this for the Lord, then there is no fault. But if it is not for the Lord, then there is fault. Everyone say, oh, Ramji also did this, Krishna also did this. Arey bhai, where you are and you are comparing yourself with Bhagwan. So stupid. Bhagwan lifted Govardhan for 7 days. You lift one brick also for 7 days? 7 hours also? No, you cannot. The Lord showed universal form in the Mahabharata war. Your form is not universal. Your form is actually useless. Such bad.
जवानी में तो सबका
You become
अभिमान
old,
होता है, सुंदर
you get
सुंदर।
wrinkles. In the youth age, everyone has this pride. Oh, I am so beautiful, I am so smart. But as soon as you cross 60 years old, then nobody wants to see you. But Bhagwan, he always stays 16 years old, always new, very beautiful, always. So you are comparing whom with whom.
इस प्रकार
So in this way,
रुक्मिणी जी का वे आत्मसमर्पण,
Rukmini ji's Atma Samarpan, surrendering her own soul. See, the Lord is not getting attracted by seeing the beautiful form
आत्मसमर्पण, उसके समर्पण को देख
of Rukmini. The Lord actually accepted Rukmini because of her surrenderness. The Lord never sees beauty. If the Lord gets attracted to beauty, then I can give you an evidence. In Mathura, there is this Kubri Kubja who is twisted from three sides. Was she very beautiful? She was deformed from three sides. Will you marry someone who is, will you love someone who is deformed like this? No one wants to. But when Shri Krishna came to Mathura, and when Kubja also showed her love to Bhagwan, then Shri Krishna accepted that love of Kubja also. Because when Kubja came in front of Krishna, Krishna started saying, "Oh beautiful one." Now Kubja started crying. The whole world make fun of me and my ugliness, and you also are doing the same by sarcastically saying that I am beautiful. Krishna said, Kubja, I never see the form. I always see surrenderness. The Lord is not actually greedy of your form and beauty. The Lord is in himself so beautiful. So there is no comparison with the Lord. So he is not seeing the form. He is actually seeing the surrenderness. Shri Krishna also did not see Rukmini ji. Neither Rukmini ji saw Krishna. See, Sita and Ramji, they saw each other in Vatika. Sita ji was plucking flowers, Ramji also was plucking flowers, and they saw each other. But here, neither Rukmini saw Krishna nor Krishna saw Rukmini. This is Atma Samarpan. This is the matter of love. This is the matter of qualities, not the matter of beauty.
रुक्मिणी कृष्ण,
Okay, Rukmini Krishna, please come.
रुक्मिणी कृष्ण आ जाओ, उनको ले आओ। हमारे दो बच्चे हैं, इन्होंने रुक्मिणी कृष्ण के रूप में उनका स्वागत करते हैं। कृष्ण is not carrying food in his hand in Dwarka. Yes, just come. बोलो रुक्मिणी द्वारकाधीश की। साउंड कहाँ है? तो क्यों चले जाते हो घर? एक बार ताली से स्वागत कर दो।
वो मेरी सखिया मुझे बता दो, वो मेरी सखिया सुन लो गिरधर जीवन सफल का सुरमा है आंखों में लगाओ, का सुरमा है आंखों में लगाओ, दुनिया से नाता तोड़ो की हो जाओगे, दुनिया से नाता तोड़ो की हो जाओगे, भक्ति का सुरमा है आंखों में लगाओगे, सुरमा है आंखों में लगाओगे, दुनिया से नाता तोड़ो की हो जाओगे, दुनिया से नाता तोड़ो की हो जाओगे। सतगुरु को बुला के मेरे फेरे तो पड़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरे फेरे तो पड़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरे फेरे तो पड़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरे फेरे तो पड़ा दो। सुंदर की दुल्हन, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन, आओ मेरी सखियों मुझे मेहंदी लगा दो, आओ मेरी सखियों मुझे मेहंदी लगा दो, मेहंदी लगा दो मुझे सुंदर सजा दो, मेहंदी लगा दो मुझे सुंदर सजा दो, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन बना दो, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन बना दो, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन बना दो। गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम गाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम बांध के गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम गाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम गाऊंगी, श्यामा गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम गाऊंगी, तारा शाम शाम गाऊंगी, बांध के गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, गुरु मैं उनको ले जाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम शाम गाऊंगी, तारा मैं शाम गाऊंगी, गुरु को बुला के तो पड़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरे तो पड़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरी विद्या को बढ़ा दो, सतगुरु को बुला के मेरी विद्या को बढ़ा दो, मुझे श्याम सुंदर की दुल्हन बना 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 दो, आओ मेरी सखियों मुझे मेहंदी लगा दो, मेहंदी लगा दो, मेहंदी लगा दो मुझे सुंदर सजा दो, मेहंदी लगा दो मुझे सुंदर सजा दो, सुंदर की दुल्हन वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया वो बलिहार सावरे वो बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे वो बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे ओ बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे ओ बलिहार सावरे ओ भैया वो तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल हो काले काले तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल हो काले काले वो तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल हो काले काले तेरे बाल बड़े घुंघराले बादल हो काले काले वो तेरी गोल मुकुट लटकनिया पे तेरी गोल मुकुट लटकनिया वो तेरी गोल मुकुट लटकनिया पे तेरी गोल मुकुट लटकनिया वो बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे भैया ऐसे रुक्मणी और द्वारकाधीश जी का स्वागत नहीं करते जरा दोनों हाथ उठा के प्रेम से और दोनों हाथ ताली की सेवा करते हुए प्रेम से वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया वो तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे तेरी मंद मंद मुस्कुरानिया पे वो बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे ओ बलिहार सावरे ओ बलिहार सावरे बलिहार सावरे द्वारका से सखी आए क्या बोल रही है? ओ सखी कह दो सावरिया से आया कर, 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 आया करे सखी आया करे, आया करे सखी आया करे, आया करे सखी आया करे, आया करे सखी आया करे। जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे। दिल नहीं रहता तो नहीं दिया, दिल नहीं रहता तो नहीं दिया, दिल नहीं रहता तो नहीं दिया, दिल नहीं रहता तो नहीं दिया। बच्ची की याद सुनाया करे, शाम की याद सुनाया करे, बच्ची की याद सुनाया करे, बच्ची की याद सुनाया करे। ओ जरा कह दो, ओ जरा कह दो सावरिया से ओ जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, सखी कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे। आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे। जरा कह दो, जरा कह दो, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे। आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे, आया करे तेरी आया करे। जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, जरा कह दो सावरिया से आया करे, कह दो सावरिया से आया करे। मुकुट सिर मोरा, मुकुट सिर मोरा, मेरे चित चोर का, मेरे चित चोर का।
शांत। जल्दी बैठ जाओ, 1 मिनट में, समय नहीं है इतना। जहां जगह मिलती है वहीं बैठ जाओ। तो सुनो, ये तो हुआ कोई हमको देख ही ना, वो हमको देखे जा रहे हैं। सिट डाउन। द्वारका में एक राजा थे जिनका नाम सत्यजीत। सूर्य की उपासना करते थे और एक दिन सूर्य देव ने उनको
There was a king in Dwarka who used to worship Suryadev. Now one day Suryadev gave a jewel called Samantak jewel.
एक दिन राजा मणि पहनकर
One day
अपनी सभा में आया
the king
तो सबको ऐसा लगा
came in the
सूर्य देव
assembly
चलते आ रहे हैं।
wearing the jewel, Samyantak jewel.
सबको बिठा दिया, बैठ जाओ,
When
बैठ जाओ।
Krishna, he made everyone sit. Hey, sit down, sit down. No sun god is there. This is King Satyadev, Satyajit. So now, when the king, he sat, so such effulgence is coming because he is wearing that Samantyak jewel.
भगवान ने सत्यजीत
Now in
से
front of
कहा,
the whole assembly, the Lord said to Satyajit, the Satyajit, give me this jewel.
हम इस मणि से ब्राह्मणों की सेवा करेंगे, राज्य की सेवा करेंगे, क्योंकि ये
We will serve Brahmanas, we will serve kings from this Samyantak jewel.
60,000 तोला सोना।
Because wherever this jewel is, it gives 60,000
सोनार बैठे बड़े बड़े
tola
60,000 तोला
Gold.
सोना रोज मणि देखिए। और कृष्ण चाहते हैं इस धन से गैयों
And now Krishna wants that
लेकिन राजा ने
from the wealth,
मना कर दिया, हम नहीं देंगे ये मणि।
from that wealth, cows and brahmanas should be
तो चुप हुए।
served.
बलराम जी को तो बड़ा
Now
गुस्सा आ गया।
this king Satyajit, he just denied, hey, I will not give this to you.
एक दिन बलराम जी ने
Krishna stayed silent, but Balaram ji got upset.
सबके सामने तूने मणि मानी।
Balaram ji said to Krishna that, oh Krishna,
तो वही कूट पीट दूं इसको।
Satyajit, you asked Satyajit to give the jewel, but he just denied you in front of everyone. I was so upset, I wanted to beat him nicely. But because of the assembly, I did not do anything. Now when the king went to take sleep in his palace, then
सुबह उठा
that stone, that jewel, that stone got stolen by someone.
ये कृष्ण
Now, in the morning, he found that the stone was not there. He thought that Krishna must have stolen it. So, in the assembly, he told everyone that, see, this Krishna, he asked yesterday to get this stone. I denied him. Now he stole. At night while I was sleeping, he stole my stone.
और कृष्ण को
Now, in the whole assembly, Krishna got this accusation.
इसको देखेंगे।
Krishna said that I have got the accusation, so I will only clear it. So he took some Yadavas and
और जब वन में गए,
he entered into the forest, and there he saw that the brother of Satyajit was dead.
और जहाँ मरा पड़ा है पास में
And where he was dead,
शेर के पैरों
there
का
were
दिख रहा है।
the footprints of tiger. So they understood that the stone was stolen by the brother of Satyajit, and then the tiger
पैरों का चिन्ह देखते-देखते
killed this brother and he took the stone.
शेर भी मरा।
Now, when they further followed the footprints of tiger, they found that the tiger also was dead. And there was footprints of a bear. Now, Krishna walked with all Yadavas. Now, the footprints reached to a cave.
कृष्ण यादव के
Now,
साथ
Krishna,
वहां
he
तक पहुंचे, गुफा में अंदर जाने लगे, तो यादव कहने लगे, देखो जी कलम
Was
आपको लगा
entering into the cave. So all the Yadavas say that, oh, we do not want to go inside the cave. The accusation was on you. You are Bhagwan. You will not have any issue. But we will die by the snakes and wild animals inside this cave. So everyone just stood outside. Now this is the difference between Dwarka and Vrindavan. In Vrindavan, Krishna, if he jumps in Yamuna Ji, to kill Kalia, then all the Brajavasis will also go to jump in Yamuna. That if Krishna has jumped to Yamuna, then what's the point of us being here? We will also jump in Yamuna ji.
लेकिन
But
द्वारका में क्या
what happened in Dwarka? Everyone is outside. Everyone stayed outside the cave, and Krishna alone he went there.
बचा दिया मनुष्य आ गया मनुष्य आ गया
And then there was this
सरदार श्री जामवंत
bear who just screamed that, oh,
मैं सामने आए
a human came inside our cave. Now, Jamvanti inside that cave in the form of bear, he started fighting with Krishna. For 27 days they are fighting. Krishna did not attack, he just tolerated all the attacks of bear Jamvanti. Now, after 27 days, Jamvanti thought that in just one punch, I actually defeated Ravan. But who is this personality? Maybe he is my Prabhu Ram only. Krishna started laughing. He said, I'm not Ram, I am Shyam. Jambanti started crying that, oh Prabhu, what offense I did. I could not recognize you. Then he fell at the lotus feet of Krishna. The Lord, he just held him and embraced him. He said that it's not your fault. I am Shyam. That's why you could not recognize me. I have come here to get a stone, to search for a stone. Jambanti said that I only took that stone. I killed a tiger and I took that stone. Come inside. He took him inside the room where Jamvant's daughter, Jambati, who was very beautiful and used to love Krishna. She made a beautiful garland, beautiful statue of Krishna, and she used to just keep seeing that statue of Krishna. Now, Jambati, she took the stone from father and was applying that on Krishna. Now, from behind, the father Jambant came. As soon as the daughter Jambati turned around and saw that, oh, my beloved, whose statue is in front of me, that Krishna himself has come in front of me and standing here. Now the father also got to know about the love of her daughter, that she loves Bhagwan, she loves Krishna. I did not know this. Jambati became very shy, very shy. But her love was clear, her heart got clear in front of everyone. So Jambanti said that, Jambati, give this stone to Prabhu, he has come to take it. Jambati gave that stone to Krishna and started saying, Prabhu, I have actually did an offense at your lotus feet. You keep this stone also and also take the hand of my daughter Jambati. She loves you a lot. So that stone and the hand of Jambati was given to Shri Krishna's hand. Now he went to search for a stone, but he got married also. Jambati ji came in the palace, and with all the proper rituals, Shri Krishna got married with Jambati ji. And Shri Krishna, he brought that stone in front of the king Satyajit and said that, take this. You were abusing me, you were accusing me. Your brother, your own brother actually stole this stone. Now Satyajit became very upset and shy, ashamed. He started thinking that I should also do the same thing what Jambati did. He said, Prabhu, you only take this stone. Krishna said, no, I don't want, this is an issue. I do not take this. Satyajit felt so bad. He's thinking what to do, how to create a relationship with him. So he thought that I will also do the same thing. I also have a daughter whose name is Satyabhama. He said, Prabhu, if not stone, please take the hand of my daughter Satyabhama. She loves you so much. Now in Dwarka, Krishna married with Satyabhama also. Very nice accusation which resulted in two marriages with Jambati and Satyabhama. Like this, there were so many other queens. Total 8 prominent queens were there of Krishna in Dwarka. The topmost is Rukmani ji.
अब एक दिन श्री कृष्ण
Now one day, Krishna was sitting with his 8 queens.
और नारद जी
And Narad ji, he came from Swarga, from heaven.
पुष्प होता है जिसका नाम
In Swarga, there is this flower named as Parijat, which is not present anywhere. That never gets dull. It always has fragrance and very fresh. So Narad ji brought this Parijat flower to Krishna. And actually at that time when Krishna is sitting with 8 prominent queens. So now Narad ji said, give this flower to that queen whom you love the most. Now Krishna started scratching his head. Oh Narad ji, if you would have given this alone
किसको दूं किसको ना दूं
in seclusion, then I would have given it easily. But now everyone is sitting in front.
बात को टालना चाहा
Now Krishna was trying to
नारद कहने लगे महाराज सबके सामने दो
now Krishna started thinking to like change the topic, but Narad ji again came and said, no, give in front of everyone. Now Krishna gave that flower in front of Rukmini ji. Rukmini ji became very shy that, oh, today the test is done. Krishna loves me the most. Rukmini ji is very happy, and Satyabhama, she just got so upset. She just entered into the palace of anger.
पैर पीटती पीटती और बेचारे श्याम सुंदर पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं अरे
Now Shyam Sundar is running behind. Oh Satyabhama, listen to me. Listen to me. Hey, don't talk to me, Krishna.
करना बंद कर दे
I just don't want to talk to you.
तो मैंने क्या दोष किया
What wrong did I did? You were saying always that I love you the most. I love you the most. But today it is clear you love Rukmini more than me.
सत्यभामा
Say Satyabhama.
रुक्मिणी के लिए तो एक पुष्प है
Rukmini, for Rukmini I have just given one flower.
वृक्ष उखाड़ के लिया
For you, I will bring the whole Parijat tree and apply that on your garden. There are so many like this who say that I'll pluck moon for you. This is all something that you just say.
सच में
But Krishna said, oh Satyabhama, I'm not just saying like this. Let's go to heaven. Satyabhama said, oh,
के साथ क्या है
Krishna is saying very seriously.
गरुड़ आओ
He said, Garud, come. Let's go to Swarga, heaven.
गरुड़ जी की पीठ पर सत्यभामा
Sitting on the
विराजमान
back of Garudaji, Satyabhama and Krishna Bhagavan, they sat. Satyabhama is becoming very happy. It's like an adventure trip going to heaven.
और उसी समय एक दूत आ गया
Now at that very moment, a messenger came.
कहां से आया
From where?
16,000 राजकुमारियां
16,000
जिनको
queens.
नरकासुर एक असुर था जो
Oh,
अलग-अलग राजाओं को
Narkasur.
परास्त कर देता और उनकी कन्या को उठा लिया
A demon, he used to defeat the kings and used to abduct the daughters, the princes of those kings.
और उन सब ने मिलकर एक पत्र लिखा
So such 16,000 princes were abducted by this demon, and they all together wrote a letter to Krishna saying that, oh Dwarkadish, we have heard that you are so powerful. Please get us free from this demon. Now Krishna started saying that, Satyabhama, we are going to Dwarka and this prayer has come. Let me just finish this task also. Satyabhama ji said, okay, no worry. If we are going, then let's just finish all the work. They went to heaven first. Krishna told to Parijat tree, hey tree, come with us on the earth planet. Parijat said that, Prabhu, you are the master of everything. But right now, my immediate boss is Indra in Swarga.
सूचना तो दे आओ
So let me just inform him at least. Oh, go and inform.
पारिजात इंद्र से कहने लगे
Parijat told to Indra, Prabhu has come, he is taking me
पृथ्वी पे चलना है
to earth.
इंद्र ने कहा
Indra said,
भगवान तो
oh,
मालिक है मैं क्या बोलने वाला हूँ
Master,
मालिक है
Krishna is the master. What can I say in this? You can
इंद्र
go.
मान गए लेकिन पत्नी
Indra
ने
agreed.
भड़का दिया।
But when the wife of Indra got to know,
ये सची
Sachi, she is the wife of Indra. See, these wives, they actually,
आप लोगों के लिए नहीं कह रहा
they create fighting. So now the wife, she said, hey,
घर में गेस्ट आए
oh, Prabhu, what is this? Guests have come in the house.
जो कुछ पसंद है उठा के ले जाए
If the guest has come, we can respect it. But it's not that they like the chandelier, so they can take the chandelier of our house. If
इंद्र अपनी पत्नी की बातों में
so now, when Shachi, she actually brainwashed Indra. So Indra started fighting with the Lord himself. Now when Indra was fighting, he got very easily defeated by the Lord.
कहाँ प्रधानमंत्री कहाँ नगर निगम का पार्षद
So it's like
कहाँ इतने बड़ा
prime minister of the country fighting with a normal municipality minister, normal local minister. So there is no match. So Indra is like that. He just got defeated by Krishna. Indra felt very ashamed that, oh, I did fighting with you, being brainwashed by my wife. Now Krishna said that don't worry, just keep Parijat separately. I am going somewhere for some task. When we'll come back, we will take this Parijat tree. Then Krishna went with Satyabhama to free those 16,000 princes. Now he reached to the palace of Narkasur, and Narkasur, when got challenged by Krishna, Narkasur came and started fighting. Narkasur is throwing arrows after arrows, but the Lord is just defending. There was some reason why Lord was not attacking. Otherwise, the Lord would just throw one arrow and he would kill Garudaji, kill Narkasur. Now, Narkasur threw one arrow and that arrow came and pierced and attacked Garudaji. And Garudaji felt so much pain. Now Satyabhama got upset and said that, Prabhu, why are you not killing him? Krishna said that I was actually waiting for your order, because I was not killing for a purpose. Because now you have said, now I will kill, because he is our son. This Narkasur is our son. Satyabhama said, what? He is our son? How? The Lord said, when I took Vara incarnation, a boar incarnation, I lifted the earth on my teeth. And when I was coming from the ocean, at that time, Satyabhama, you were the earth. The earth on which we are sitting, this is a potency of the Lord called Bhu Shakti. For example, Bhulok. So this is Bhu Shakti. Prithvi Devi is not ordinary. The Lord, all the time, he has three potencies, Shri, Bhu and Leela. This Bhu Shakti means Prithvi Devi, means earth. That's why in the morning when we wake up, listen this carefully. This is what our grandmothers used to teach. These days, all these things have stopped, but there is a reason for this. This earth is actually the potency of the Lord. So when we wake up from the bed, we should first pay obeisances to earth, that I will walk on you. You are keeping me on you like a mother keeps the child on the lap. You bear everything, you are keeping. Bhumas Khalita Padana. So, such a beautiful point. We walk on this earth, on the ground, and we fall, then we take the support of ground only to stand up. In the same way, the devotees, they pray. As a person takes support of ground only after falling on it to stand up, in the same way, all the offenses that I have done at your lotus feet, I can actually get out of those offenses only by the support of your lotus feet. So please, be merciful. So that's why one should always touch the earth first by head and then take first step on the earth. Krishna started saying, Satyabhama, when I was bringing earth on my teeth, at that time you desired for a son, and I gave you a son. This is our son. But he actually got into such bad association that even though he is our son, he is the son of Bhagwan. But still he became demon. See, this is the problem with bad association. The Lord's own son, when entered into wrong association, he became a bad person. That's why it is said, a man is known by the company he makes. Your introduction can only be given through your association, that who are your friends. This only gives you the introduction, your introduction. The sadhu person. The sadhu does not mean sannyasi. Even the householders are sadhus. A person with sadhu nature,
दूसरे हो ही नहीं सकते, बनेगी नहीं।
His friends also will be sadhu only.
और जो दूसरे
He will not
व्यक्ति
have
होगा,
wicked
उसका
people
साधु
as
के
friend.
साथ कोई मेल मिलाप होगा
And the
नहीं,
wicked
बनेगी
people
नहीं,
will
मैच नहीं
not
होगा।
match with sadhus.
भगवान कहने लगे हमारा ही
So the
पुत्र
Lord
कैसा
said
हो
that,
गया?
oh, see our own son
और
and
मैं
how
उसको
he
मारना
became.
चाहता था,
I wanted to
लेकिन
kill
तुमने
him,
मुझे मना
but
कर दिया था। नहीं प्रभु, अपने पुत्र
you
को
told me
मत
not
मारना।
to kill.
और मैंने उस दिन तुमको वचन दिया था, तब तक नहीं
At
मारूंगा
that
जब
time
तक
I
तुम
gave
नहीं
you
कहोगे। और अब तुमने
the
कह
promise
दिया,
that
उसको
I
मार
will
दो।
not kill
अब
until
मैं
you
इसको
only
छोड़ूंगा।
order. So now you have said to kill him,
और
now I will
भगवान
not
ने
kill him.
नरकासुर को एक
Now the
बार
Lord
मारा।
just attacked Narkasur once and killed him.
और 16,000 राजकुमारियों को
And 16,000
मुक्त कर दिया।
queens
जाओ,
got freed.
राजकुमारियों, अपने अपने पिताओं के पास लौट
Oh
जाओ।
queens, oh princess, go
और
to
ये
your
राजकुमारी
father.
कहने लगी, अब हमको कौन स्वीकार करेगा?
Now these princes said that
समाज
who
में
will
क्या
accept us?
बदनामी हो गई हमारी।
We have got so much
कोई भी हमसे विवाह
disrespected,
नहीं करेगा। पिता भी
defamed
हमसे
in the
नहीं
society. Our fathers also will not accept us.
करेंगे। परम पुरुष हैं।
You are Param Purush, you are the
हम
supreme
सब
men.
आपको ही वर के रूप में धारण करना
We
चाहते
want to
हैं।
accept you as
आप
our
हम सबसे
husband.
विवाह करो।
Please
अब ये तो
marry
भगवान
all
कर
of us.
सकते हैं।
Now only the Lord can do such things.
16,000 राजकुमारियों के साथ महल में
Marrying with 16,000 wives, 16,000 sacrifices happened and Krishna married all of them all together. Like this,
108 विवाह
there were 16,108 marriages done by Sri
और हर एक
Dwarkadhish.
रानी से 11-11 संतान हुई। तो सोचो कितने बच्चे होंगे। अपना ही स्कूल खोला, कृष्णा स्कूल, कृष्णा पब्लिक स्कूल।
And every
अपना ही स्कूल
queen,
खोल
with every queen he got 11 children. So
दिया।
it's
बाहर
like
किसी को admission
so
नहीं
many
मिला।
children. So Krishna, it's like he created his own school, Krishna International School, something like
खेल रहे
that.
थे।
He does not need any other person.
बहुत ध्यान से सुनना।
One day,
एक
all
इतना बड़ा
the
गिरगिट देखा।
Sakhas,
शोर मचाने
all
लगे।
the children, grandchildren of Krishna, they were playing and they saw a big chameleon inside a well. Now everyone called Krishna. Krishna saw that such a big chameleon I never saw.
उस गिरगिट को बाहर
Now
निकाला।
Krishna lifted that chameleon outside the
जैसे कृष्ण का हाथ
well.
स्पर्श हुआ,
As soon as he touched
गिरगिट एक सुंदर राजा
chameleon,
बना
the
सा
chameleon came in the form of a very beautiful king.
भगवान ने कहा, "अब तुम कौन
The
हो?"
Lord said, now who are you?
बोलते महाराज,
Said, Maharaj,
मैं हूँ राजा नृग।
I am king in Rig.
भागवत जी में बताया,
In Bhagavad Gita has
मेरा
been told,
नाम राजा नृग है।
my name is King Rig.
अरे तुम गिरगिट कैसे बन गया?
Hey, how you became
दान के
uh,
कारण।
how you became
जरा बताओ।
a chameleon? He said, because of donation.
बोलते, प्रभु, मैं अपने
King
सारा जीवन
Krishna said that I did not understand what you said.
दान किया, इतनी गायों का दान किया,
How can you become chameleon by donation? Now the king, he started explaining that, oh Prabhu, I donated so many cows. You cannot even, you can count the stars in the sky, but you cannot count how many cows I donated. Whoever Brahman comes, I give him donation as cow. Only I give donation cow.
एक बार
Then how you became chameleon? He said that one day I gave donation of a cow to a Brahmana.
फिर मेरी गौशाला में आ गई,
But that cow, she again came back in my cow shed.
किसी और को दान दे।
Now I gave the same cow to some other Brahman as donation, second Brahman.
अब दोनों आकर झगड़ा करने लगे। दोनों
Now both
झगड़ा
started
करने लगे।
fighting.
ये मेरे को दी थी, ये मेरे को
Oh,
दी थी।
you gave this cow to me, you gave this cow to me.
राजा ने कहा, मैंने दोनों को समझाया, एक मान जाओ, एक के बदले में
The
10
king
हजार
said,
गाय दूंगा।
I tried to explain both of them that please,
नहीं,
any one of you just
राजा ने
please,
कहा, मैं टुकड़े तो कर नहीं सकता।
adjust. I will give 10 cows in place of that cow. But both were stubborn. Now,
दोनों ब्राह्मणों ने
both the Brahmanas, they got upset and they cursed that you, O king, you give the donation and then you change your color. We just curse you that you become
मैं
the
गिरगिट
chameleon
बन बैठा था।
which changes the color.
लेकिन गिरगिट बनकर भी अब ये बात ध्यान से सुनो, ये कैसे संभव है? इसको भगवान
But even after becoming chameleon, how is it possible that he got the touch of the Lord? He got darshan of the Lord. See, the result of donating cow was that he became chameleon. But once,
किसी ने
one day,
एक भक्त ने आकर कहा,
a devotee came in his assembly and said that, oh king, you give so many donation. Donate me Bhagavad.
राजा ने कहा, वो नहीं होगा।
The king said, no, that cannot happen. If you ask for cow, I'll give you.
बोलते राजा तेरे पास इतना दिया भगवान
The devotee said that, oh king, you have so much. Can you not give one bhagavad to me?
अच्छा चल खाली हाथ मत
Okay, don't go empty-handed.
तेरे को एक भागवत दान दे।
I give you one bhagavad.
बेमन होकर कोई श्रद्धा नहीं
So without any desire, without any intention, without any mood, he just gave bhagavad to this person, donated bhagavad. So our Gurujan used to tell this, that without interest, donating Bhagavat is such the result that he is getting darshan of Bhagavat and the touch of Bhagwan, darshan of Bhagwan. So the one who with so much happiness and desire donate Bhagavat, then what Krishna will give him?
पुस्तक भागवत ग्रंथ का दान देना और ये भागवत का आयोजन भी भागवत का ही दान है।
So this organizing Bhagavat also is like a donation of Bhagavat,
को मिलाने वाला
where
जो व्यक्ति वो आयोजक होता है
the organizer is the one who actually makes the speaker and listeners unite, who put so much effort, time, wealth, everything. We all just come and sit silently. I come and sit here, you also sit here.
गाड़ियां हैं
There are cars, drivers, everything for coming and going.
इतना सारा
But
टेंशन
so much tension, stress is taken by whom?
आयोजक होता
The one who is the organizer.
है। इसलिए हम सबका
So that's why
भागवत श्रवण का जो साधन का जो फल है
the result of this Bhagavad Shravan and Sadhan,
भागीदार बन जाता
that person becomes
है। बिना
the
मांगे बिना दे
shareholder of that.
ऑटोमेटिक वो उसका भागीदार बन जाता है।
He becomes a shareholder 10%, 20% without his asking.
आप अपना सोच लो।
I give my 100% to them. You can think yours.
अपने पास कुछ नहीं रखना।
I don't want to keep anything to me.
मैं तो चाहता हूँ इनको पूरे परिवार को
I want him and his family got so much mercy and blessings of Bhagwan
ये लोग भक्ति करें
that they do bhakti, they do naam, they keep hearing Bhagavad Katha, they keep doing Bhagavad Katha, organizing like this, and whole day
भगवान की गुरु जी की गंगा जी की कृपा से
they very happily
ये इनको आशीर्वाद मिले। मैंने अपना सारा दे दिया।
just live their life with devotion attitude.
ये लोग
And
पुराण
all glories to Bhagavad Mahaprabhu.
कंजूसी नहीं करना।
Don't be very
भाई इतनी मेहनत से हमारे 5% भी ना दे।
miser. Don't think that, oh, I have come and I'll not share my 5% also.
बदले में कुछ नहीं दोगे?
They served you so much for 7 days.
दोगे कि नहीं?
Will you not give anything? How many of you are giving? So you just take sankalp, vow in your head, in your mind.
महापुराण की
All glories to Bhagavad Mahaprabhu.
अब देखो
Now see,
एक तो भागवत जी का दान
one is the donation of Bhagavad
जो
Ji,
हमारे भक्त लोग अलग अलग शहरों से आए हैं
and the devotees who have come from different
भंडारी की व्यवस्था है होटल में
places. So for them feast arrangement is there in the hotel,
हमारे
and at that time
भक्त गोगिया जी
our devotee Kogya Ji will give you donation of Bhagavad Granth also. For every family, he has actually arranged every family one book.
कपड़े बांट
See, someone donates clothes, someone donates sweets. Do anyone has any scarcity of sweet or any scarcity of clothes?
जब मेरी इनसे बात हो रही थी
When I was talking to him, he said, everyone do these things.
हम ग्रंथ का दान
I want to donate books, spiritual books.
जो ऐसा दान जो घर में
That donation, because when Granth is there in the house,
कोई भेद नहीं
see, there is no difference between book Bhagavad and Bhagwan.
शाम के बाद
So that's why after Prasad, in reception,
एक ही ग्रंथ
one family, one Granth.
एक परिवार एक
One family, one Granth, one book.
पूरे परिवार को लिए एक एक ग्रंथ
For all families, he has
बाकी जो हमारे श्रोता
arranged books.
पास के आए हैं आप लोग यहीं पर ही बैठकर आज यहाँ पर भंडारा होगा आप लोग यहीं पर
And
बैठकर आज भागवत
all the local devotees here, please take Bhandara here,
देना
take the feast here, and give us blessing that we may come again and again on the banks of Ganga Ji and do Bhagavad Katha like this.
बोलो भागवत
All glories to Bhagavad Mahaprabhu.
अब क्या करें 12 बज गए
Now it's already 12.
देखते देखते पता नहीं लगा मन तो कर रहा है 4 बजे तक चले
I really want to keep it continue for 4 till 4 p.m.
की भी मर्यादा
But we have to follow the timings. we will not leave the Lord in Dwarka. We will at least bring him back to Vrindavan. Now,
सत्यभामा सबसे विवाह हो गया।
after the marriage with Rukmini and all, now Sudama ji came, gave
सुदामा
some
कच्चा तंदूर खाकर
little uncooked rice, and Krishna accepted that, and in return the Lord gave so much wealth to Sudama. But Sudama ji do not feel any kind of difference. He said that you can keep me in a hut or in a palace. My love for you will not decrease or increase because of all these things. These are the modes of Sudama ji.
सारे असुर द्वारका में मारे
And
गए।
all the demons, they got killed in Dwarka. Shishupal and Dantavakra
भगवान ने जो मारा
was killed by Sudarshan Chakra. Shishupal got killed.
बचा था,
It's just he who was left, and then
और
Dantavakra.
इनको मारकर
And after killing them,
द्वारका से
Krishna from Dwarka,
sorry, हस्तिनापुर से
from Hastinapur, when he was going to Dwarka, on the way itself,
गोवर्धन जी के निकट
near Govardhan
एक गांव
ji,
है जिसका नाम
there is this
दतिया।
place called Datiha.
गोवर्धन जी के पास दतिया नामक ग्राम,
So this Datiha name village where Dantavakra,
भाई आकर
the brother of
कृष्ण
Shishupal,
को युद्ध की चुनौती दे रहा है।
he came and he is giving
कृष्ण तुमने मेरे भाई शिशुपाल को मारा,
challenge to
मेरे से
Krishna.
युद्ध करो।
Said, "Oh Krishna, you killed my brother Shishupal, you fight with me."
सारे असुर
The Lord just cut the throat of Dantavakra by
गोवर्धन जी के निकट
a
कृष्ण
disc.
सारे ब्रजवासियों को
And there only near Govardhan ji, Krishna is watching all the Brajavasis.
कन्हैया कहने लगे तुम लोग यहाँ कैसे?
Kanhaiya started saying,
सखा
now
कहने लगे,
Kanhaiya saw all the Brajavasis
तेरी बात
there.
पर विश्वास भी हो ना हो पता नहीं।
Now Kanhaiya started saying that from where you have come. Now all the Brajavasis said that, oh,
आएगा तो इसी मार्ग से ही।
we thought that
एक बार तेरा
we were actually doubtful that will you even come or not? Will you ever come or not?
व्यतीत करें।
So we thought that you are coming from this side, we will come here to have your darshan, and from that darshan we will just
द्वारका नहीं
live our rest of our life. Krishna said, now I'll not go to Dwarka.
अब मैं तुम लोगों के साथ ही
I'll stay with you all, and I'll stay here in Braj in Govardhan with you all.
सखा कहने लगे
The Sakha said that, Kanhaiya, you have taken so many promises like this. Krishna said, no, this time
इस बार मैं सच में यही रहूंगा।
I'll really stay here only. I'll not go to
एक
Dwarka.
स्वरूप से कृष्ण द्वारका चले गए।
From one Swarup, Krishna went to Dwarka.
वो जो देवकी जी वाले कृष्ण
That Devaki ji's son, Krishna, he went to Dwarka. And Yashoda ji's Krishna,
ये वापस
he stayed in Braj.
ब्रज में ही आ गए, और जब ब्रज में आए तो वही गोवर्धन में गुलाल
there-
कुंड है।
In Braj there is Gulal Kund.
मतलब जहाँ पर
Gulal Kund is the place where with flowers, with
आने का स्वागत किया गया।
colors, Krishna get welcomed. How?
कन्हैया फाग मास की
It was month of Fag, means March,
इस होली
Holi.
में जो आनंद है,
So in this Holi,
और वस्तु में आनंद नहीं।
it's so blissful festival.
इसलिए फूलों से और होली से, रंगों से कृष्ण के आने का
So that's why Krishna got welcomed with holy and colors.
12 बजे का समय बोला था, समापन करते हैं। अनाउंसमेंट में लिखा
So
है,
it's 12 already.
होली से ही
Let's conclude our day with our festival with Holi.
से भागवत जी का समापन करते हैं। आप सभी जो बड़े दूर दूर से आए हैं,
All the
मैं आप सबका
devotees who
अभिनंदन
have
करता
come
हूं।
from so far, I welcome everyone
आप लोग समय निकाल कर
and I
आए
thank you
और इस
that
प्रकार
you all came.
भागवत जी का पूरा आपने लाभ उठाया।
Hare Krishna.
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय, बोलो श्री राधा माधव जी की जय, बोलो श्री